Hey, you guys. It's Mirsky back with another YouTube video. You guys already know what to do. If you like this video, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe so you can get notified when I post a video. Oh, no. Smack the bell so you can get notified when I post a video. So, yeah, because you want to get notified when I post a video. Also, if you like to share this off with somebody else so they can get this information and this knowledge, you can go ahead and do that. Why not share with the world? You feel me? Other people can get into this shit. But we're about to get into this. Guys, if you already know, or if you don't know, I do videos on the law of attraction where we talk about creating and manifesting the reality that you desire. Also talking about the subconscious mind where we talk about alternating your belief system and changing for a better reality for yourself. So basically in this video, we're going to be talking about how to make manifesting 10 times easier with every moment. I mean, we're not going to add the with every moment, but that's what I say to myself to make manifesting more easier, is because within every moment, it becomes more easier to me. Like manifesting, bitch, I already got that shit down packed. Law of attraction, got that shit down. You feel me? It's nothing. It's simple as fuck. It's just that. But, okay. So something that I noticed to really make manifesting easier for you is to actually be consciously aware of this present moment. Just be present. Just be centered with your own energy. Just stand within your own power, because within the present moment, you see your energy. You get to be in company with yourself. And when you learn and know yourself, you start to accept certain things. You start to understand what you deserve. You start to draw in the reality that you seek for yourself, because you are cultivating that self-awareness from being in the present moment. When you are in the present moment, you create space for mindfulness. You create space for awareness, to be aware of your thoughts, to be aware of your words, to be aware of everything that is going on, that is surrounding you, and the energy that is in the present moment. You create from being present. You create your reality from being centered within your own being. So if you want to make manifesting easier, first of all, it's your thoughts that are creating your reality. So if you're being self-aware and if you're being conscious of this present moment, and you're going to be conscious of your thoughts, you're going to be aware of the things that you're aligning yourself to. If you're out of alignment, you're going to start to sense and feel that, because you've created and cultivated space for awareness and being in this present moment. You feel me? You feel the energy from when you are in this present moment. Mindful activities, meditation, just eating healthier, sitting with yourself, being in your own company, really getting to know you, really getting to learn who you are. You feel me? That is so much power within manifestation, when you are not diminishing your divinity, because you are divine. Anything that is less than divine is not deserving of your attention. You feel me? Anything that is less than empowering is not of you. You are a divine being. You are a divine all. You are the sense of everything. You feel me? So create that for yourself. Get to know who you are so you can know what you want to create, and to align yourself effortlessly. Because when you're in the present moment, you hold no attachments. You hold no needing for things. You feel me? Because if you are constantly clinging, needing, oh, I need this, my energy has to gravitate towards this. No, it gravitates towards you, baby. When you start to align yourself and you start to create a high vibrational energy, things are easily drawn towards you. You do not have to feel like you need to pressure your energy onto it, or create it so intentionally or so aggressively. Oh, I need to be thinking about it 24/7. Oh, I need to be doing this 24/7. No. When you are in your own space of being, you draw that in. You draw in whatever it is, because you know that you are capable, and more than capable, of doing so. Because you express divinity within everything that you speak, within everything that you interact with. You are the divine being. You feel me? And divine beings, they stand like gods. They move with that energy. And you should move with that energy. Move with the energy of you knowing, of you accepting who you are, of you being who you are. Because once you are who you are, once you accept who you are, things become so much more effortless to manifest. I'm telling you, because you are aligned. when you are in alignment with your higher purpose, when you are in alignment with source energy, when you are in alignment with your higher power of self, things effortlessly are drawn to you. You are an effortless manifestation. You are an effortless manifester. Things happen to come to you rapidly because you come here to be abundant. You are abundant. Speak that shit. Mean that shit. Be present. Be with yourself. Cultivate awareness to know that that is for you and that is of you. You've come here to experience abundance. You come here to easily manifest. You're already doing that shit in whatever shape and form. You feel me? If you're manifesting what you don't want, that's an effortless manifestation within itself. Simply, this is all happening from repetition. Consistency, what I've talked about last time, is everything when you're doing this. And I spoke about that in my last video, I believe, with your subconscious mind. You want to be consistent. If you are consistent with something, it makes it to where you are knocking out those old cycles and you're stepping into something new where you're reprogramming your mind, where you're reprogramming certain habits, where you're reprogramming things. Because what you're doing is you are allowing yourself the space to reprogram, allowing yourself the space to take out anything that does not serve your highest and greatest good. Once you know your highest and greatest good, manifestation is there, boo. It's there because you're not attached to it. You're in the present moment. You're aware. You're centered within your own being and you're accepting of this now. And that's all you really need to become an effortless manifester. Accept of this now because it's already yours. It's already here. But you guys, if you like this video, I know it was a little short video today. First short video that I did in a while, actually. But I will be back with another video very shortly. If you guys like to buy any crystal jewelry, check out my Etsy website. Also, if y'all would like to follow me on Instagram or send any love donations, they are all down in the description box below. Any details that you want to find out about me is in the description box below where you can check that shit out. And I will be back with another YouTube video. I love y'all so much. Make sure that y'all share, like, and comment, and subscribe, and smack the bell. Peace.